Hello and welcome to Androidia. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a fully verified TransferWise account to link it with PayPal. TransferWise allows you to easily transfer money internationally, and you can also get bank details from TransferWise. If you have a PayPal account, you can use these bank details to link your TransferWise account with PayPal, and then you can withdraw your money from PayPal to TransferWise. Now here you can see it's very simple and easy process to transfer money using TransferWise, and you have different options available. You can choose any currency for transfer. Then you will also have to provide your details, so you have personal, business and other options, and you also need to provide all these details, so don't forget to fill in your details. Let's close this option for the time being, and don't forget to confirm your email address as well. Now you can see my email is verified. It's very simple and easy process. And now here you can see we have finish account setup option, so just visit this page to complete your all details. You have two options, personal and business account. I chose personal account for this account setup. Now you need to provide all the information, so add your first name, last name, date of birth and all other details, and save your changes. Now TransferWise also offers a debit card, but it is not available in all countries, so you can join the wait list. Now if we click on get started button, you can see we have get started with balances page, so click let's go button so you can get your bank details. You will also have to verify your phone number, so you can turn on two-step verification for better security of your account. Now you can see we have set up GBP and Euro balances, so simply click on got it button. If you want to add a new balance, simply click on open a balance button or open a balance link. I would like to add US dollar to my account, so let's search for US dollar and click confirm. Now you can see you can also get your account details for your USD balance, so simply click on this button and you need to add 20 US dollar to your TransferWise account. This is not a fees, this is your own money, but you just need to add balance to get bank details. You have different options. I prefer debit card, and you can click confirm the payment option, and then you need to provide your credit card details or debit card details. And it was very simple and easy process. Next you will have to verify your identity, so upload a proof of your identity. I chose national ID card. Now you need to upload the front side and back side of your document, and then click continue. Next we need to upload a photo of ourselves holding our ID, so you can see an example photo, so don't make a mistake. Now you can see money added to your account, so balance has been added successfully, but we cannot use this balance until we verify our identity, so don't forget to verify your identity. Now if I refresh this page, you can see 20 US dollar has been added to my account, but I need to verify my account to get my bank details. Here you can see verify your identity options, so click on this verify your identity button. Here you can see we have confirmed your documents, so this means my national ID card has been verified, but I also need to verify my identity as well. This step is not completed yet. Now click on verify your identity and upload a photo of yourself holding your ID card and click continue button. So it was very simple and quick process. All this took only few minutes to verify my identity. But with my photo there was some problems. Here you can see we are checking your details options, so you just need to wait for a few minutes, and then I receive all this. I can also see all this information, but I also received an email from TransferWise. So verification problem, sorry, we couldn't verify you with your photo. So then you will have to upload a new photo of yourself holding your ID card. Now if I go back to my TransferWise account, you can see verify your details, and now I need to click on verify your identity button again, and I had to upload this photo again. So I took a new photo and uploaded it to my account and click continue, and you can see now you are all done for now option. And then I received this email, we have confirmed your documents. And now if I refresh this page, you can see I have got my bank details. So this is US bank detail. You can link this bank with PayPal to receive payments from PayPal to TransferWise, and then you can transfer money from TransferWise to your local bank, or you can transfer it to any other country as well. You can also see I have euro balance and British pound balance, so I have also got bank details. So you can link these bank details to your PayPal account to withdraw money from PayPal. So if PayPal is not officially available in your country, you can create a UAE or Saudi PayPal account, and then you can get bank details from TransferWise, and you can create a verified PayPal account. So this is very simple and easy process to get your bank details, and you don't need to visit USA or any other country to get US bank account.